Hi, this is Gargi, and I'm today going to do Cost Accounting Unit 2, and I'll do part 1 first. And in this is for the BCom CA students in the third semester in Tamil Nadu. And in Unit 2, what we're going to be covering is material control, levels of material control, need for material control, economic order, quantity, ABC analysis, perpetual inventory, purchase and stores control, purchase of materials, procedure and documentation involved in purchasing, requisition for stores control, methods of valuing material issue. Introduction. The term materials refers to raw materials used for production, sub-assemblies and fabricated parts. Inventory means the raw materials, work in process goods and completely finished goods that are considered to be the portion of a business, assets that are ready or will be ready for sale. Definition of material control. ACC to BKBHAR. Material control is a system which ensures the provision of required quality of material in required quantity on required place and time with minimum amount of capital. Types of material. Direct material and indirect material. Direct material, the material whose cost can be easily identified to a particular unit of product is called direct material, such as all raw material and all purchased parts of that product. Indirect material, the material whose cost cannot be easily identified to a unit of product is called indirect cost. This is not the part of a finished product but is necessary to manufacture it. Meaning of material. Material means a schedule of items held at particular point of time. Levels of material control. The levels of material control are quality control and financial control. Objectives of material control. The objectives of material control are availability of material, minimum investments in material, suitable price, to avoid spoilage of material, proper issue of material, accounting of material, checking of material, valuation of stock. Control essentials of material. The essentials are centralized, classification and codification, perpetual entry system. So there are three essentials of material: centralized, classification and codification, perpetual inventory system. Main techniques of inventory control. The main techniques of inventory control are A. Determination of stock levels, B. Economic order quantity, VED analysis, material turnover ratio, ABC analysis, perpetual inventory system, simplification and standardization, classification and codification. A. Determination of stock levels. Determination of stock levels includes, stock levels are determined by minimum stock level, maximum stock level, danger level, average stock level, reordering level. Briefing of all above stock levels. Reorder level. It is a level of stock quantity between minimum and maximum level, and material order was sent for getting fresh stock. Reordering level is minimum level plus consumption during the time required to get fresh delivery, or maximum consumption, maximum reorder period. Minimum stock level. It is the minimum balance which must be maintained in hand at all times, so there is no stoppage of production due to non-availability of inventory. Minimum stock level is equal to reorder level minus normal usage x average period. Maximum stock level. It shows maximum quantity which should be in the stock. If we buy more, it means we are wasting money. Maximum stock level is equal to reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption, minimum reorder period. Danger level. It is a level at which normal issues of the raw material inventory are stopped and emergency issues are only made. Danger level is equal to average ratio of consumption, maximum reorder period for emergency purchases. Average stock level. This is the average of minimum and maximum level, and it can be calculated by adding minimum level and maximum level and divided by 2. So average stock level is half of maximum stock level plus minimum stock level, or minimum stock level plus half of reorder quantity. I will stop here with this unit 2, and I will then record unit 2 part 2 with problems.